Yo, what's going on, fellow co-creators? Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So we here at Co-Creations have been actually designing a lot of our own 3D prints and our own 3D models. It's been super fun, super challenging, honestly just kind of a really cool process from start to finish. And one thing when we started out is we need to figure out a good software to use. So to be honest, we're using Blender 3D. It's a really, really cool software. You can do a lot with it. There's a lot of potential, a lot of capabilities. The one thing though is when we started with Blender is we did not know how to convert it from its original settings to actually be able to do 3D modeling to print on a 3D printer. Because Blender 3D is actually used for like animation, 3D sculpting, modeling, like kind of like a 3D clay image almost too. So we wanted to convert it so we could just do 3D printing. And to be honest, there's not a ton of tutorial videos out there kind of explaining how to do that. So real quick, we just wanted to share with you how we figured out how to do it. That way you can download Blender yourself, dabble in it a little bit too, and kind of see how the process goes. So real quick, when you pull up Blender, you're going to start with a nice basic cube, okay? And you have a cool light source here, and then you also have a little camera source here. Because again, this is used for primarily animation and 3D animation. So we're going to go ahead and delete both those sources. Go ahead and click on them, then you just right click, hit delete, they're both gone now. So we're left with just our basic cube. From there, we're going to want to go over here to this tab. There's this little kind of teardrop. Right under it, there's going to be the units. We want to click on units. Now metric is okay, that's totally fine. But for the scaling, we want to change it to 0.01. Okay? Then we want to go down to the length right over here, and we want to select millimeters because that is going to be the easiest way for us to manipulate the sizes and then convert it to our 3D slicing software so we can actually print whatever we're making. So once we go ahead and do that, then we jump over to this little tiny icon up here. Kind of looks like the twin suns on Tatooine from Star Wars. We're going to go ahead and click on that guy, and we got to change our scaling there as well. So we're going to go 0.01. Hit enter, and you're going to see it makes a nice kind of little grid layout, and we actually have our full map. Now we are actually able and ready to print. Once you select an item, it'll pull up the location, the rotation, you can kind of spin it, and also the scaling. The scaling is kind of fun because this is literally where you kind of change the shape of your, object. And you can just throw in some fun stuff just to kind of see how it works. But literally, this is how you change the scaling of your object. And if I zoom out, I've made a much, much bigger kind of rectangular box. But yeah, so we just kind of want to show you guys that quick little video so you know how to actually use Blender and convert it from its original settings to be able to do some 3D modeling yourself. So hopefully this video was of some good information. If it was, definitely leave a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to our channel. Other than that, I hope you have a blessed day and look forward to the next one. God bless and take care.